Whether you are in charge of hosting virtual family union or online classes, you may be asking yourself, how would this work? Since you are not meeting in person, a video call works just fine. There are many video chatting platforms out there, but in this video, you will learn how to set up and host one using Google Meet. In our example, we're using Chrome as our web browser, but you can use the one you prefer since Google Meet works with most web browsers out there. To set up and host a meeting, you will need to log in using your Google account. Let's click the New Meeting button and choose Create a Meeting for Later from the menu. A dialog box appears giving you a link to copy. Click the copy icon and now you can paste it in an email or messenger service to invite others to the meeting. It is important that you save this link so that you can access it later too, otherwise you won't have the link to join the video call. We suggest writing it down or pasting it in a new Google Doc. Click the X to close out of it. If you want to pick a day to have a meeting, click the New Binti button again, then select Schedule in Google Calendar. A new tab will open, taking you to a Google Calendar to create an event. Notice that the event already has a Google Meet link provided. After filling in the event information, click the Add Guest field and type their email address. When you are done, click Save to send the email invitation. Click Send. The event will be added to your calendar and you can refer back to it when needed. Before the meeting, simply click the Join with Google Meet button to begin the video call. If you need to meet with people quickly for an impromptu meeting, click Start an instant meeting.
Before hosting a meeting, you need to create your Zoom account first. Click on Sign In, then click Sign Up for free so you will start creating your account. For verification, you have to fill in your date of birth and confirm it first. After that, fill in your email address and click Sign Up. Then, Zoom will send a confirmation link to your email to activate your account. Next, go to your email and look after the email from Zoom for the confirmation link. Once you found the email, click on the button Activate Account to activate your Zoom account. Choose Yes if you're signing up on behalf of your school, or choose No if you're not signing up on behalf of your school. After that, fill in all the information required, set up your password, and click Continue. Now, here you got your personal meeting URL. You can choose to start meeting now or go to My Account. Click Go to My Account and it will show you the Zoom account already created. Now, try to sign in to your Zoom account. It will show you your personal meeting ID. Click Home and there's many buttons there. If you wish to start a new meeting, click the button and you can start your meeting.
Hi, so this is a tutorial video for FET interactive simulation. So first, at the search bar, you need to type fet.colorado.edu and enter. Then, this page will appear on your screen. Here you can see the simulations and the choices of subject. For now, I will click on All Sims. Then you can see all the simulations available for each subject. And for this tutorial video, I will choose Physics, which is motion. When you tick on the boxes, You can see all the interactive simulations available in FET. There, you can choose which simulation related to your topic. For example, your topic is about forces and motion. So you can choose this particular simulation. As you can see, there is download button here, which allows you to download this simulation to be used even without the internet connection. Another option is you can just play it by clicking here and it will bring you into the simulation directly. So there are options that you can choose to explore here. For example, I will show you the net for simulation. In this box here, you can click on each of these to make them appear on the screen. And then you can just drag everything and observe the result after clicking this go button. Then you can pause. That is the same for the remaining simulation. You can just click on this and run the simulation and adjust all features as you want. As all the features provided in the FET interactive simulation are very user-friendly, it will be really helpful for teachers to teach their students, especially topics that require students to run experiments even during online learning. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello guys, alright, in this tutorial we are going to be learning about how to use a program called Padlet. Padlet is essentially an online bulletin board where you can post all different types of media, and then you can also have conversation with your students by adding posts or adding comments below their posts. If you are noticed that I am not currently signed in into the Padlet account, and even if you are not currently signed in, you can still use the Padlet. But the disadvantage for the teachers is if the students are not create an account or logging into the account, if they are coming into your post, it will not show up their name. If they are logging into the Padlet account and comment into your post, it will be easily to the teachers for know their name because it will show out their name into your post like this. So in order for you guys to create an account of the Padlet, you guys can go to Google search engine and search for the Padlet website and then click this. If you are new to Padlet, you guys can just click sign up for free, and I had already an account of the Padlet, so I just have to click login. So if you guys want to sign up for the Padlet, you guys can use Google email or Microsoft email or even Apple email to sign up. I had signed up my Padlet account using my Google email, so I just have to click login with Google email. So this is my recent Padlet that I have already used. So if you want to make a new Padlet, so you just have to click make a Padlet. And if you guys have a link to go to the Padlet, you guys just have to click join a Padlet using the link. So for this tutorial, I just want to show you guys on how to make a new Padlet. So just click make a Padlet. Okay, so this is the template of the Padlet that you guys can choose. But the common one that for the teachers and students use is this one, so select this. Okay, this is your new Padlet, and if you guys want to change the title, maybe you can change the title according to your subject that you teach. For example, you can change the title to English subjects or maybe science or mathematics. You can change the description also. And yeah, this is the address to your Padlet. If you guys want to share the link of the Padlet to your student, you guys can just copy the link and send it to your student. And you can change the appearance of your Padlet also. You can change the wallpaper, color scheme, and fonts according to your preference. Okay, I will skip this. Okay, then you guys can start posting. If you guys want to post some information or instruction for your student, you guys can just go to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click the add post button. and then it will show up like this. Or if you want the simplest way, you guys can just double click here and it will show up. Okay, you guys can write the title of your post. For example, I type education, and you can write the description here. For example, okay. There are some options here that you guys can use. For example, you guys can upload a file that you want to share to your students, such as the Word document, or maybe video, or maybe PowerPoint presentation to share to your students. So you just click wherever you want. And you guys can also share an embed link from the website that you want to share with your students. And I think the option that you may be used most frequently is just the option to search in Google. Is this button for some different types of media. You will see that it auto-populated the same search term as the title of your post. So if you guys want to search something, for example, like flowers, and it will show up like this. You can search for the image of the flowers, or videos, or GIF, or audio, even for a web of flowers. And you can also take a snap directly from your laptop to post to your student if you want. And for the more button is this is the common button that had already in this post, and this is the other button that you can use. For example, you can capture video from your camera, record audio from your microphone, record your screen, doodle on an on-screen canvas, or you can add a location to share with your students. You can also link to one of your other Padlets. I think that's all for the Padlet. See you till next time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will give a tutorial in how to use Java Lab. For your information, Java Lab is an interactive simulation from various experiments in science, physics, and mathematics concepts. The first thing you can do is you open your browser in your laptop or PC or your smartphone, and then you search Java Lab. After that, you click the first link for the science simulation. What you can see is, at the first interface, there are various topics that include in science, physics, and mathematics concepts. There are many topics or many general topics to the specific topic that you can choose from science topic, from physics topic, or mathematics topic. For example, we choose light and wave simulation from light and wave topic. You can see in the light and wave topic, there are many simulations included in this topic. Then, let's choose a convex lens and the concave lens simulation. On the top of the page is the simulation of the convex and concave lens, and the below is the notes and the explanation for the experiment or for the simulation. You can adjust the simulation based from the perspective that you want. There are the formula that you can use to calculate the distance or the result for the simulation. You can explore the simulation by yourself. That is the example on how to use Java Lab. You can explore another simulation by yourself. Enjoy in exploring Java Lab. Thank you.